Man Chan, I'm hungry. Do you serve food here?
I'm so excited you asked.
I think I'll have science!
Let's get cracking.
For the egg drop project, we'll provide the materials you need to build the egg carrier. Everything else is up to you and your creativity. Think of this like an engineering project. What do you have around your home that can help protect the egg during a drop? Be creative. Oh, and don't forget the egg. Once you have the necessary materials, it's time to build the egg carrier. Using this visual guide, we'll show you how to build it. In our experiment, we used toilet paper to help dampen the forces resulting from the drop. We decided to use duct tape to keep it held together. Now here are the rules for the egg drop experiment. Whatever you decide to make to protect the egg must fit within the dimensions of your favorite book, like you see in our egg example. With adult supervision, it's now time to drop your egg and see how it fares. Afterwards, see if your experiment was a success. Did the egg survive the forces of the fall? Good luck with your attempts, and remember, have fun.
Here you go, one order of science, a la egg drop.
Science Man Chan? I can't eat this. It's not even cracked open.
Exactly.